What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today I want to talk about a stock that is up over 3,000% in the past 2 days. And yes, you're hearing that correctly. If you invested $6,000 in this stock today, you would be at $204,000. In case that didn't put it into perspective for you, for those with smaller accounts, if you invested $1,000 into this stock today, you would be sitting at $43,000. The stock is up well over 3,000% over the past couple of trading days, which is one, if not the biggest short squeeze that we have seen in a very, very long time. Now, there's a few things that I want you to note. One, ticker symbol TOP, which is the stock we're talking about, does not have an options chain. We have seen this time and time again. Stocks without options chain have these major rips because they don't get stomped into the floor. But why? We know that stocks can get stomped into the floor by short sellers illegally, so why would they let themselves get stomped out of their positions without pushing this thing even further into the ground? This is something that I wanted to talk about today. Zongyang Financial Group Ltd. is a company mainly engaged in the online brokerage business. The company is mainly engaged in the provision of futures, brokerage services, and other services such as stock brokerage, options brokerage, consulting services, currency exchanges, structured note subscriber services, margin financing services, as well as others. The company operates its futures and stock brokerage business mainly through two trading platforms, eSunny for futures trading and 2GO for stock trading. Hong Kong-based Top Financial Group, ticker symbol TOP stock, was halted several times for volatility Thursday, with shares rocketing to close 195% higher. Shares of TOP, formerly known as Zongyang, opened at $7.17, dipping to an early low of $6.53 before soaring to a high of $24 midday, up nearly 260% from the prior day's close. The stock finished the session at $19.79. Now, this is actually almost like a ticker symbol SPRT situation. However, this stock ran in after hours up over 1,050%, trading all the way up to $260 a share. And yesterday, this stock was sitting at $5 a share. So imagine investing to a stock at $5 and it running to $260 a share. I bet you remember when you bought AMC at $5 and it ran to $70 and you felt like you were about to be a millionaire very soon. Well, that's basically what happened to this stock overnight. So do I think retail is the one that caused this? No, not really. I think this was major institutions, and also a low float on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange is always a different story. What are the examples of this? Ticker symbol HKD and ticker symbol GCT, as well as a few others. Now, if you take a look at the halts for ticker symbol TOP, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, and the list goes on. This stock has been halted several times for volatility. Limit up, limit down, halt. Now, the question is it too late to jump into this stock, right? Because everyone wants to know that. No shit. The stock is up way too high for you to be a bag holder. Now, of course, this can go to above and beyond, but is it worth the risk? In my opinion, absolutely not. And the reason being is just take a look at where it's trading at right now. In this zone, guess what? That looks high, doesn't it? That is not where it's trading at. If I bring in the 4-hour time frame, this is where it's trading at. $232 a share. We have no idea where this is going to stop. However, we do know where it's going to fall, which means you could lose 100% of your investment. Now, also there's no options chain, so it's not like you can risk a little bit on some premium and make 10x the gain. In this case, in my opinion, this would be something fun to throw a couple $100s at and see where it would run to, right? See if it's going to run more or see if it's going to dump. That way, if the money goes away, you don't really care about it. Okay, this is all in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. Was this a short squeeze rally or was this a pump, right? Was this a pump for institutional investors? Now, you're going to call me insane by the end of this video. I know you are. But let me tell you one thing right now. Short interest ratio is 0.35 days to cover, which means based on the volume, based on the short interest, 6.30% short interest of free float, this stock would have all of these shorts out of the positions. It does not matter when they got out, right? How they got out, whatever it is. This is being pumped. This is being pumped by institutions for whatever reason, whether that's for retail to jump in so they can take your money and then sink this thing. It's being pumped by institutions, and these are not regular shorted shares. Now, there could be a few reasons behind this, right? Whatever you want to bring up, your tinfoil hat theories, oh, this was naked shorted, this, that, and the third. But Call me crazy if you will. I want to bring up a few things. So when the S&P 500 ran up to $403 back here, right? It was estimated that short sellers lost $81 billion. $81 billion, okay? And that was in the matter of what, 2-3 days? Again, you're going to call me insane, but take a look at this setup on the S&P 500. This is the beginning of 2022. This is the lowest we have seen the SPY in a very, very long time, all the way at $362. And the lowest it even got, which was a flash crash to the downside, was at $348, okay? Other than that, this was basically the double bottom on the SPY. Short sellers, bears, they were winning. They were in the green, right? They probably doubled up right here, doubled up right here. You got a double top on the SPY, and guess what? This is the same scenario you're seeing right now where, okay, they raised the debt ceiling. The SPY just had a 2% day. Again, call me absolutely nuts. The SPY just had a 2% day. It's breaking back up to 412. Short sellers probably doubled down on the S&P 500. This is HKD overlaid on the S&P 500. Take a look at when this thing came about and started ripping. As soon as this double top broke, right? When this thing started climbing to go for that double top break, HKD, boom. Boom, 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 ripping absolute heads off. There's someone on the other side that is saving short sellers' ass, and it's happening in front of you. Ticker symbol TOP. You can call me nuts, whatever you want to say in the comments. Someone is on the other side saving short sellers' ass, and they're doing it through the Hong Kong exchanges, HKD, GCT. You see it time and time again. I mean, this is what I'm seeing. You guys let me know your opinion on this. Let me know if you made money off ticker symbol TOP. Let me know if you think this is a good thing going forward. Let me know if you think this is being controlled by short sellers. You think I am right. You think someone is on the other side saving their ass. And let me know if you can find other stocks that happened time and time again where the S&P 500 looked like the bulls were winning and then it faked them out, and basically somewhere on the other side and a different stock exchange is basically saving their ass. Okay, so you guys let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. If you want up to 30 grand, since you did miss out on that, use my link. It's the top link under the video. I will also leave it pinned in the top of comments. Download Mubu to get up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 using my link. Once you sign up and make a deposit, it can literally be a penny, so go find that in your room. Also guys, make sure to join the Discord. We got a few new members today. That link will be under the video as well. Do not sleep on the Discord. Okay, Webull still shows SPRT. I wanted to bring this stock up and see how similar. Okay, so this stock was very, very similar in my opinion, right? This was the same thing, a $5 stock. However, actually it was a $3 stock, $3.82, and it basically did the same thing. However, that night it ran very, very high, and it went even higher, but upon open, it tested that again and got slaughtered back to the downside. So if we were looking at top, in my opinion, for the open tomorrow, this thing could go up, you know, maybe another 500 to 2,000% at pre-market trading, right? Pre-market trading. So I would watch anywhere in that $300 level. And then upon open, it's probably going to be very, very volatile, retest that, and get absolutely slaughtered. This is my call on top. I could definitely be wrong, but if you want to talk about it with me on the daily and, you know, figure out what's actually happening, join the Discord so you guys can be in there and talk with me on the daily. That is it, guys. I know this video came up late. I just wanted to put it out. I wanted to talk about this stock because this is something that we don't see every day. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.